Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of rational function and vertical asymptote. Let's solve it together. In the xy plane, the graph of a rational function f has a vertical asymptote at x equals 6. Which of the following could be an expression for f of x? So if you're talking about a rational function, rational functions consist of numerator and the denominator. And the vertical asymptote means it's all about the denominator. In the denominator, we must have an expression when you make it equal to 0 and solve it for x, that must give you 6. That expression is x minus 6. Why? Because x minus 6, when you make it equal to 0 and solve it for x becomes positive 6. So, we're looking at the choices and we're looking for the expression x minus 6 in the denominator. This didn't have it, so we can go ahead and eliminate choice A. Choice B, we don't have x minus 6. In the choice C, we have x minus 4 and x minus 1, but the x minus 6. In the choice D, we have x minus 6 in it. Nice. And the x plus 2 cancels each other out. The final version of this rational function becomes x minus 5 over x minus 6. Therefore, the correct answer is choice D for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.